I wanted to see what it was like if too many people and too many bikes were trying to get on a ferry. I found out. I was one of the last ones as people were screaming to move up in Dutch, and the captain just makes that gate go, and all of a sudden people scream more because their bikes are getting pushed into everybody else. And I got smacked on the back a couple times. It was exciting.
I bet.
People do this every day.
Yep.
This is an experience.